Leader of opposition Ronnie V. Lyngdoh has said that law will take its own course with regard to the recent charge sheet filed against an MLA by the Meghalaya Lokayukta in a case of corruption. Sanjay A. Sangma, an NPP legislator from Mahendraganj constituency, is one among the 12 persons who have been charge sheeted in the case. When asked if the opposition will take up the matter with the Speaker, Lyngdoh, who is also the CLP leader, said it is the job of the law enforcing authority and not the party.
The court is there. The process of law should follow. Now, until it is proven guilty, the person is innocent. They are charge sheeted. Now the legal system, as I said, we are happy. We are proud that the legal system in India is still perfect. People can, look up to the court for justice. So I think it's good. I think that is for the law enforcing authority to do that. It's not our job.